How to sync Facebook friends on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can synchronize your Facebook friends with your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your TikTok application from your device. Here, make sure that you are logged into your specific TikTok account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Once you are here, tap on the three-bar icon on your top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Then under Account, you will see an option that says Privacy. Tap Open it. Tap on Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. Here, toggle on the option that says Sync Facebook Friends. Once you do so, tap on OK. And if you would like to also sync your contacts, then toggle on the option of Sync Contacts as well. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.